Hey there. So if you have been wondering how can you generate leads and sales from Quora, I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you in this video. Okay, so Quora, if you're not under a rock, you know what Quora is. But if you don't, Quora is pretty much like Yahoo Answers. Remember that, right? Does it still exist?
Yeah, it does.
It does. So it's like Yahoo Answers, but like 1,000 times better, pretty much. So pretty much Quora has these categories that we call spaces, and they're like sales, webinar, pets, sex, whatever your phones, programming. So they pretty much have a space or a category for your customers. So pretty much, let's say you're into sales or you're into meditation, right? And you have something to sell. Then what you do is you go there to that space and then you help people out who are asking questions. They're like genuine questions, right? And you help them out, hoping that they'll reach out to you on your profile to buy your books, to have a consultation or buy your products. Okay, it's like that. And let me show you how it actually works. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put myself on the side for a bit. And what you do is, this is Quora.com, right? So once you get up here, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Spaces. Now, once you go to Spaces, you want to find your space. Now, your space could be, let's go to CL space. Now, your space could be meditation. It could be dogs, pets, whatever you're interested in. That's your space, okay? So for example, let's go here. And as you can see, these are all startups, entrepreneurship. These are all spaces or categories. So pick yours. So for example, okay, so this, for example, like, I don't know, world history, deep thoughts, business motivation. Let's find, I'll go to my favorite one. My favorite one is going to be entrepreneurship. I'm going to go to home, and on the left, I'll see my favorite one. It's somewhere here. Should be, or I can just type it up. Entrepreneurship, right? Or space. You can go to topic or space. Pretty much the same thing. Now, once you go here, right, the next step is just look through. Now, you will see that a lot of people have asked a question, right? And somebody has answered it. Now, if the answer is good, it's going to get something called the upvote, meaning, hey, this is good. It's like a like button for like your answer. Now, if you help people out, what's going to happen is, your answer is going to get popular and more people will see your response, meaning more people are going to see your profile. Now, on your profile, you're going to put something like this. I'm going to go to my profile. And on your profile, what you need to be doing is like this. Watch, okay? So, for example, I'm collecting leads on my profile. So when somebody goes here, entrepreneur kid, what the hell is that, right? And hey, what is it? It's like, it's a link where I'm generating leads, okay? As you can see, you can do that. Now, next up, you can go ahead and put your links to your site, your books, whatever you sell, whatever you offer, put it here, okay? Don't put it on the actual answer, because if you do that, you're pretty much, you're not helping people out. Remember, you have to help people out. You have to give value before you can expect to receive something in return. So the idea is to give something like your knowledge, right? You know a lot about your topic. You give that back to people, okay? Normal people, genuine. Okay, you're not trying to advertise, because if you advertise, people are gonna downvote you and your answer won't appear on the top. Simple as that. It's not gonna do you any good, okay? And once you offer people genuine answers, you can embed a little bit of information about your products and things like that, but don't overdo it. Don't ever overdo it. Let me show you an example, okay? So let's go here. So for example, so somebody says, what is a swipe file and how can I use it on my project, right? I commented saying, hey, swipe file is this. I tell you so much about it. Now, I do give out link to my site. That's okay. But make sure you're not overdoing it, okay? Let's go look at more. So somebody said on here, I'm going to put myself here. It's better here. So how would you maximize a revenue for a podcast, okay? So as you can see on right here, I answered the question. I do. I give out so many goodies for free right here. But guess what? It all leads to my lead magnets or my profile or somewhere where I'm going to benefit as well. keep in mind, I'm not sucking the blood out. I'm actually giving out to the community and to the people. Because when you give out to the people and they trust, you're going to gain their trust, and then they'll come to you. Now, since I've been using Quora for all these years, my business, I'll tell you this. So people have bought my more of my books. People have followed me more on my Instagram. People reach out to me on email for consulting work. People just, hey, they see me as a person who is trying to help out. And that's what you should do, okay? Don't try to overdo it. Like if you're like, oh, buy this, buy that, it's going to get deleted, number one, by the admins. And also, number two, people don't like that. People don't like. So what you have to understand is these days, it's not, you can't say, hey, buy my phone, buy my phone. It's not going to work. What you have to do is, hey, with this phone, you can take great pictures. This picture can help you, make your wife feel better. See what I did? That's one. Or number two, teach something about your product. Teach something about your industry that nobody else knows. Be that guy, be that girl who is knowledgeable and willing to give away those nuggets. Be that person, okay? And then once you do that, it's simple. Once you post it, you're gonna get you'll be rewarded for it for years and years to come. Okay, let's move on. Let me show you more. As you can see, so I do email marketing, right? So for example, this one, like somebody was asking how to make money, right? I gave away links to my YouTube videos. You can do that, okay? But make sure that you actually embed it. You don't actually link out, because remember, Quora wants people to stay in Quora. So don't, put a link to YouTube or your site. Put it in there, because once people find you and once people know who you are, they'll come to you no matter what. Simple as that. Let's move on. And yeah. See, this is the one. This is so I own a company called Podmere, right? And I teach people about podcasting. So I answered some questions about podcasting, and guess what? It was voted up. People saw more about it. They came to my YouTube. They came to my site. They bought from me. They became my customer because I was willing to give away my knowledge. Remember, you can never. So if you know something or if you have a knowledge about something, share it, because it's going to inspire somebody. It's going to help somebody else out. So that's always a bonus point for you. So that's how I use Quora in my business to bring me more leads and sales. I hope that that works out for you as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have a question, and make sure again to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and have a great day.